Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at a reference angle. And a reference angle just refers to another angle that means the same as, so equal to. And that's by using our understanding of the quadrants and our understanding that we base it around the x-axis. So let's get started. So to start off, I'm looking at sine 330 degrees. So to start off, I'm going to be thinking about where is my angle? Well, my angle is 90 degrees plus 90 plus 90 equals 270. So it must be in this quadrant over here, in quadrant 4. Because that is 330 degrees. So I am thinking about, okay, well, if that is 330 degrees, what do I need to take away from 360? 360 take 330, I get 30 degrees. So that is this angle right here. So that is my reference angle, but the first thing I need to be thinking about is my x-axis. My x-axis refers to my the adjacent line, which is cos. So I'm going to be looking at my y. And my y is my sine, because sine refers to the y-axis. The y-axis is negative here, so I'm going to have it as negative. So that means it's equal to negative sine 30 degrees. We can tell straight away, here is sine is negative, cos is adjacent x, so that's positive, so tan must be negative. Because negative and a positive equals a negative. Let's have a look at cosine. Well, our angle is 162 degrees, so straight away I know that is in quadrant 2. Was 90, 180, it's less than 180. So my angle is 162 degrees. Now, remember we are thinking about from our x-axis with our point on the circle, and we go down to form the reference angle. So that is my reference angle right here, which means I've got 180 and I'm taking 162 away, and that leaves me with 18. So my reference angle is 18 degrees. Now, I know I've got cos, it's cos 18 degrees, but I need to check something out. When I'm thinking about cos is referring to the x-axis, because it's just talking about adjacent. So the x-axis is negative, so that means cos is negative. So in that area, this quadrant here, you've got to remember, cos is negative, sine is talking about y, and y is positive. So if you've got a positive and a negative, it will be negative. And I'm going over that on both of them, because now we're looking at tan, and we are going to be using our understanding of cos and sine, and the positive and negatives. So tan is 230 degrees. So to start off, we need to draw our angle. So 90, 80. It has more than 180, less than 270. So it's in this quadrant right here. This is 230 degrees. If that's 180 and this is 230, 230 take 180 equals 50 degrees. Remember, when we're thinking about it, we're going up until we get from our point on the circle to the x-axis, and that turns into our triangle that we look at. So if I'm thinking about tan 230, that's the same as me saying tan 50 degrees. But we need to understand if it's positive or negative. So let's have a go. Well, cos refers to the x-axis, is negative. Sine refers to the y-axis, because it's opposite, and it is negative. Tan is tan is toe, opposite over adjacent. So that means opposite as that is sine over cos, which negative and negative equals a positive. So it is positive tan 50 degrees. If you need any extra help to understand reference angles, feel free to message me, but it's really just writing the angle in a different way.